Are you looking for the best video editing apps with no watermark? Now I will show you 3 video editing apps that you can use. Number 1. CapCut. Open the CapCut app. Click on new project, choose your video and tap add. Now you can use different editing tools like effect, transition, text, filters and more. CapCut is one of the most popular video editing apps. You can easily edit any video with many advanced features. The best part is you can export your videos without a watermark. Number 2. VN Video Editor. VN is another powerful video editing app for beginners and creators. It provides professional editing features like multiple layers, music effect, transition and text animation. The interface is simple and easy to use. You can edit your videos smoothly and export them without any watermark. Number 3. InShot. InShot is a simple and user-friendly video editor. It is great for making YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and social media videos. You can stickers, filters, text, and adjust your video easily. It is perfect for quick and creative video editor apps without watermark. Choose your favorite app and start creating amazing videos. And don't forget subscribe.